In today's video, I will guide you on how you would be able to make a carousel post on Instagram. So let's get started. So now, once you're here on your Instagram, log in into your app, what you need to do is to tap here on the post icon or button right here, or upload button, whatever you'd want to call it, here on the bottom middle. And now from here is that you want to go here into post. You want to make sure that you're here in post, as you can see here at the bottom. And now in here is that you want to select the media that you want to make a carousel post with. So I'm just going to go for, let's say, this video right here. I'm going to start with this. And I want to tap this button right here. It's like the copy icon button. So you want to tap that. And then now you'd have the option to select multiple medias right here. You can go for videos or photos, whatever you want. For example, this video is right here, for example. So yeah, so for example, I'm making a carousel post with this. Now I'm gonna tap here on next, that now that I have selected them, and make sure that you know the limit, which is 20, and tap on next on the top right. And now, okay, and then from here, you can now edit your carousel individually. So yeah, you can do it right here. And then once you're satisfied, just simply tap here on next. And now from here, you'd now have the options in here to add some caption in your post, tag people, add location, and so on. But if you're all good with that, you can now proceed into sharing this. So tap on share button on the bottom right there. And now, as you can see, you want to keep Instagram open to finish posting, especially if you're posting a video, because it might take some time for it to be posted. So make sure to just wait for that. All right, it is now posted, as you can see. And now we can just view here in this carousel. As you can see, we now have it in carousel style. You can do this in a photo and video. We could do it on video only, photo only, or a combination depending on what you'd want. So yeah, that's it on how you could make carousel posts on Instagram. Thank you for watching.